The Plastic Surgery Channel News, brought to you by Mentor, maker of memory gel breast implants.
Welcome to Plastic Surgery News. I'm your host, Deanne Moore. Thank you for joining us today. In this week's report, find out how one woman's breast implants are figuring into a divorce case. Learn how a Chinese fugitive used plastic surgery to evade authorities, and a huge breakthrough in facelifts. You won't believe this new technique. All of that coming up, but first, a dentist who performs cosmetic procedures is in the hot water with a state agency after allegedly botching a 15-year-old's liposuction and breast reduction in 2005. The Medical Quality Assurance Commission is accusing Dr. Thomas Laney of not being sufficiently trained when he performed 2 invasive cosmetic surgeries in Seattle on a 15-year-old girl. The commission said, quote, "Overall, the patient's breasts now have an aesthetically odd and unnatural appearance," and said that Dr. Laney should have recommended diet and exercise instead of agreeing to do liposuction on the teen. The girl reportedly had overly large breasts that impeded her athletic activities and caused her back and neck pain. Her family sued Dr. Laney in 2008 for malpractice and finally settled for an unknown amount. From there, the commission got involved. Dr. Laney, who has a long history of malpractice suits, isn't facing any criminal charges, but could lose his medical license. The doctor has requested a hearing to discuss the allegations, but that date is still pending. Next in the news, one man is arguing that the cost of his wife's breast implants should be a part of the assets divided up in their divorce hearing. In fact, the argument has gone all the way to the North Dakota Supreme Court. When divorcing his wife, Tracy, Eric Isaacson listed her $5,500 breast implant surgery as one of the couple's assets. But District Judge Robert Wiefald rejected the claim, calling it absolutely nonsense. Eric Isaacson's attorney, Christina Sambor, is now appealing the judge's decision. She argues that medical expenses should be included in a list of marital assets when they are cosmetic, elective, and unnecessary. In this case, a pair of breast implants may qualify. Coming up next, a Chinese woman evades Japanese authorities with the help of some unique plastic surgery. And one woman goes to extreme lengths to look like her favorite film star. But first, a quick break. We'll be back in a moment.
Hi, I'm Dr. Bill Adams, and you're watching the Plastic Surgery Channel. Last year, more than 350,000 women decided to get breast augmentation.
It helped me understand what my body would be like after the surgery.
And speaking of hard facts, let's talk about your olfactory organ.
So a prospective patient, when they're looking to have surgery, must always understand that every single surgical procedure has its import, and they must be concerned with the quality that's being delivered to them.